What's up, YouTube? It's me, Desmarie, back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my bombshell curls. What you're going to need to achieve this look is a comb, some clips, and a curling iron. The curling iron that I got is from my local beauty supply store. It's a 1-inch. I forgot what brand it is because I've had it for so long. But yeah, that's all you're gonna need, and all you're gonna do first is split your hair in 2 sections, or if you're doing a side part, still 2 sections. But yeah, you take 1 inch of a section, then you take the curling iron, then you put it as close as you can to the root of the wig. Then you take the hair, then you flip it over because you're curling away from your face. That's what's gonna give it the bombshell fluffiness look. You gotta curl away from your face, and all you do is keep clamping it and flipping it over, clamping it and flipping it over, and just let the curling iron eat the hair up. That's all you doing. That's it. As soon as you start getting to the ends, you're gonna roll the curling iron all the way up and just clamp it and let the curl fall in your hand and let it cool down for a couple seconds. It's gonna be real hot. And then you go take one of the silver clips or two, because you want it to be secure, and just clip it to your head. That's it. That's all. We're gonna explain it one more time for the roly-polies. But yeah, you section off 1 inch of hair. Then you put the curling iron as close as you can to the root. Flip over, curl away from your face. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Then release. Then cool. Then pin, nigga. The routine is all about the routine, nigga. I don't need it. Driving to the west, I pop the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots on road, I never see them. Taking L's, they taking L's, I never wanna be them. Got your bitch beside me, she just asked me what a bean is. Put a number in my phone and you know how to lead. Driving solo, I'm just running through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs, they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean now. The Xannies help me slow up, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed down. Down through the rest, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. Just grab me in the six, who can I trust, I never know now. Sprite is extra dark, now my doggy in the dog pound. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take their toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll now. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't approach me on some free shit. They just by myself, so why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I popped the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots on road, I never see them. Taking L's, they taking L's, I never wanna be them. Got your bitch beside me, she just asked me what a bean is. Put a number in my phone and you know how to lead. Driving solo, I'm just running through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs, they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean now. The Xannies help me slow up, the lean, they help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed down. Down through the rest, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. Just grimy in the six, who can I trust, I never know now. Sprite is extra dark, now my doggy in the dog pound. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take their toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober,
So it's the next day, and all I'm doing is just taking the clips out, and I'm gonna spray some hairspray on them, and then I'm gonna brush the curls out. I probably didn't even brush them out on camera because I be liking to take pictures with the curls being sticking out, just like how tight they be.
I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't approach me on some free shit. They just by myself, so why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I popped the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots on road, I never see them. Taking L's, they taking L's, I never wanna be them. Got your bitch beside me, she just asked me what a bean is. Put a number in my phone and you know how to lead. Driving solo, I'm just running through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull Roll me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends.
Well, that's all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And go like all my other videos. Bye.